This video shows how to install the DialPad SMS texting and Zoho CRM extension. You're going to find this extension in the marketplace. If you need the direct link, let us know. We'll be able to email it to you. But basically, once you click on the extension in the marketplace, you'll get to this page. You're going to continue after agreeing to a term of service. Install it for all users or admins only, or you could even select profiles. Most of our customers will be using the all users option. This could take a couple of seconds after you click prepare install. Then you get to a screen like this that it's installing, giving you a status bar. You could navigate away if you desire. It'll still install. We're going to wait for this. When installed, you should see a screen like this. Now you're good to go. And the extension is installed. In the next video, we'll show you how to configure your account.